Oi, tudo bem? Be welcome to our lesson. Today we are gonna learn how to use the verb estar and the conjugations. When we use it like present continuous, we use for locations. We are gonna learn all the uses and the conjugations, okay? First thing, when you translate the verb to be into Portuguese, we have two verbs, ser and estar. Talking about the verb ser, we have a lesson about this. See you on our channel and you are gonna learn when to use the verb ser. Today is just about the verb estar, okay? What is the idea? The verb estar we use for things that change, like I am sad, I am happy, feelings, location. I am in Brazil, I am seated, eu estou sentado, and the present continuous. I am drinking, things that change, think like this. But first, let's see the conjugations in the present. Eu estou, I am. You are, você está. And here's the same conjugation, you, he, and she. Você está, ele está, ela está. Plural, we are, nós estamos. And they are, and also you all in the plural. Eles estão, and also vocês estão. So, let's see some examples. Talking about location, we always use estar because it can change. I can go to the supermarket, I can go to the bakery, I can go to another country. I am at home. Eu estou em casa. I can't say eu sou. No, it's totally wrong. Here, always talking about the location, always use the verb estar because it changed. Also, temporary states like feelings. Ele está cansado. He's tired. We are happy. Estamos felizes. Here, change. Unfortunately, we are happy, but later we will be sad. Estamos tristes. Estamos cansados. Always temporary states, we use the verb o verbo estar. Also, emotions. Yes, temporary states and emotions are the synonymous. Ela está triste. She is sad. If you use the verb ser here, means that all her life she is sad. Okay, can you see the difference? Because the verb ser we use for things that never change, like I am a Brazilian. My nationality, my name, eu sou brasileiro, eu sou Eloilson. And if you say, ela é triste, I will understand that she is always sad. She is a sad person. Because this you need to use ela está triste. She is sad now, today, at this moment. Another, eu estou animado. I am excited. Now I'm excited. Tomorrow, no. Eu estou animado para a festa. Conditions. Talking about conditions. Conditions always change. Talking about the weather. O dia está bonito. The day is beautiful. But it can change. It can start raining here. This is the idea. Talking about food. A comida está boa. The food is good. Another. As ruas estão vazias. The streets are empty. Now, let's say it's midnight because it is. But tomorrow at 8 a.m. the streets will be full. This is the idea. At this moment are empty or are full. And because of this we use estão. Also, ongoing actions. What is ongoing actions? When you are doing the beautiful present continuous. For example, I am drinking water. Eu estou bebendo água. I can't say eu sou bebendo. No, it's totally wrong. Always present continuous. This is the structure. The pronoun, the verb estar, and the next verb in the gerund. Eu estou bebendo água. Here. Estou estudando, not learning, studying. Estou estudando português. I'm studying Portuguese. And here, revision. Always remember the verb estar, temporary things that change, location, feelings, and when you translate the verb to be, to ser, it's things that never change, okay, or conditions. He is Brazilian. Ele é brasileiro. She is Ana. Her name never change. Ela é. But she is in Brazil. Ela está no Brasil. This is the idea. Try to remember. Estar, things that change. Location, feelings. And ser, things that never change. So, we are finishing this lesson. Let me know if it is helpful. If it is helpful, give a like here on our video. And remember, every week we are posting new videos here about different things, verbs, grammar. And if you have any questions, feel free to send us a question here on the comments and we can record a lesson here talking about your question. Also, we have an Instagram page. Every day we post contents, meme, Brazilian, life, grammar. And we are a Brazilian Portuguese online school. We teach you from all levels, basic, intermediate, and advanced to do like certification tests. And if you are a beginner and intermediate, if you wanna see how our lessons are, we are offering you a free trial lesson for you see how our lessons are. Here on the description, there is a link of our website. You just click there and you can schedule it according to your availability, okay? Any questions, feel free to text us, okay? I will finish here saying Portuguese. Muito obrigado e